What's up, Survivor Squad? It's your girl Totally Ty, and I am back with another DIY. In this video, I'm going to be taking this oversized sweater and turning it into a matching two-piece set. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Survivor Squad, and let's get right into this tutorial. Okay, starting off with the sweater inside out and laying flat, I'm going to be taking the ruler and measure about 2.5 inches away from the underarm because that's where I'm going to be cutting my sweater at. Once I have that measured up, I'm going to be using my measuring tape to make sure that my line is straight once I do cut that line. I'm also going to go ahead and trace it as well, just in case my measuring tape decides to move while I'm cutting the sweater. Once I cut about halfway across the sweater, I go ahead and I flip one side to the other side, as you can see there, just to make sure again that my line is straight. Also, take your time when you're cutting it. Go as, make sure it's as straight as possible. Like, do not rush it. As I do in every video until I get better with this and start using templates, I use a pair of biker shorts that I already own as my template, and then I am going to let the shorts hang a little bit below the ones that I'm going to be making because I just need it as an outline. I don't really need it for the length of it, if that makes sense to you guys. Now I'm going to fold one side over the other, so when I cut it, it will be even on both sides. And then also, before I do that, what I'm doing now is making the crotch area, which I just do it in a little triangle. I did oddball basically everything that I did, but I do highly recommend that if you are a beginner, even though I am still a beginner, I recommend measuring it and making sure everything is exactly how it needs to be, because you don't want to mess this up. Because I would have been so mad if I would have messed this up, but I feel like I'm getting a little bit better, so yeah, I just did whatever. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure everything is straight and start pinning it down. I don't record myself sewing it because you guys have seen it already in a previous video. If you haven't, go ahead and click that I right now in the top right corner and go catch up on my previous videos. So I didn't record myself doing the waistband because you guys have already seen me do that. Again, if you haven't seen me do that, click that I right now in the top right hand corner and go catch up on my previous videos. Once that's done, the outfit is complete, ladies and gentlemen.
Paving the secret.